Hydrogel uses patented nanotechnology that works on your engine from the inside out, virtually eliminating the need for costly repair. And all you do is squeeze Hydrogel into the same place you add your motor oil. That's it. If you can squeeze a tube of toothpaste, you can revitalize your vehicle with Hado. And Hydrogel nanotechnology does it all while your engine is running. No mechanic needed. That's why cars, trucks, vans, pickups, compacts, and SUVs everywhere are performing better and more efficiently, thanks to Hado. And now it's your turn. Don't waste another penny on unnecessary fuel. Don't spend your time and hard-earned money on unneeded parts and labor for your vehicle. Put nanotechnology to work for you today.
Now, I want to show you how fast Hydrogel nanotechnology will work for your car. What better way to measure this than by performing an emissions test? Here we have three very common vehicles: a 1995 Volkswagen Golf GL, a 1998 Saturn SL2, and a 2003 Honda CR-V. Emission tests can really show you two things. They can show you how many pollutants your car is releasing into the environment, but more importantly, at least when it comes to your pocketbook, they can show you how efficiently your engine is performing and consequently how much gas you could be wasting. So, what we did was perform a standard emissions test on each of these three vehicles. Pay particular attention to the HC level, as that is the amount of unused hydrocarbons or fuel that is being wasted. Next, we treated each vehicle with Hydrogel nanotechnology. Adhering to the recommended treatment schedule, we then drove each vehicle under normal conditions for about 1,000 miles. Now it was time to measure the difference just from using Hydrogel nanotechnology. And once again, we hooked up each of our three vehicles to our emission tester. First of all, look at the reduction in carbon monoxide emissions. That's a serious environmental benefit. Now look at the HC levels. They've been dramatically reduced. Hydrogel has actually improved the efficiency of each engine and consequently increased the fuel economy. That's money in the bank. So without the expense of a mechanic and without the downtime, we've revitalized each of these engines. And Hydrogel can do the same for any vehicle, old or new. Using Hydrogel engine revitalizant is incredibly simple. You don't need to know anything about cars. In fact, as I've said, if you can squeeze a tube of toothpaste, you can revitalize your engine with Hydrogel. Just add one treatment of Hydrogel to the engine's crankcase, the same place where your oil goes. And that's it. Hado's patented nanotechnology does everything else. You don't even need to turn your car off. And in case you're wondering, the condition of the oil doesn't matter. Hado just uses the oil flow to travel to all of the worn parts of your engine. Just remember, you'll want to leave Hado in your engine for 1,000 miles before changing the treated oil. It will take about 5 minutes to disperse the Hydrogel throughout the engine, and after that, the Hydrogel nanotechnology goes to work, restoring all the worn areas, one molecule at a time. Although you'll notice a difference right away, it generally takes up to 1,000 miles to fully revitalize your engine with Hado. After the first time you use Hado, you'll want to repeat the treatment at approximately 100 miles, and then again at about 200 miles. After that, the process is complete and will last a full 60,000 to 100,000 miles. Hydrogel nanotechnology never stops working for you. Hydrogel engine revitalizant is the only product in the world that uses patented nanotechnology to restore the geometry of worn-out parts and mechanisms. No other product can do this. It's like having a team of top mechanics constantly fine-tuning your engine. Once you've introduced Hydrogel to your engine, you'll be amazed at all the benefits. First and foremost, Hotto will reduce your vehicle's fuel consumption. Fuel savings of 10 to 15% is very common, even in brand new vehicles. That's like getting an extra 2 to 3 free gallons with every tank of gas you purchase. That savings alone means that Hotto will pay for itself. But fuel savings is just the beginning. You'll also save money by extending the life of your vehicle. The Hotto gel creates a coating that is harder and smoother than steel, which translates to a longer-lasting engine. Not only that, but because repairs are made at a microscopic level while you drive, you'll save hundreds, even thousands on new parts and labor. You'll notice a dramatic difference in your vehicle's performance. Hotto makes your car's engine run more smoothly and with less friction. It also works to improve engine compression. The result is a smoother, quieter engine with more power. And let's not forget another huge benefit that comes from putting Hotto's nanotechnology to work for you. The reduction of emissions means less carbon monoxide introduced into the environment. That means less greenhouse gas. Just imagine what will happen when everyone starts using Hotto gel. It took the ending of the Cold War to bring Hotto to the Western world. Developed by Russian scientists, Hotto's principal component was originally discovered accidentally in a remote area north of Siberia. While drilling for oil, workers are accustomed to replacing the large commercial drill bits every 2,000 feet because of the wear that occurs. In this particular area, though, workers noticed that the drill bits were not wearing out after 2,000 feet and were, in fact, getting stronger as they drilled. Scientists analyzed the ground and identified a unique metal ore that, when introduced to high temperature, created a ceramic-like layer on metal tools. The Russian scientists quickly went to work to synthesize this ore and ultimately perfected the nanotechnology we now know as Hotto Gel Engine Revitalizant.